Welcome to Mars Info, Sol 7 2025. Today, we're diving into one of the most mysterious discoveries ever made on the Red Planet, a strange metallic object spotted on the Martian surface, raising new questions about the possibility of life or past technology on Mars. NASA's rovers and orbiters have been capturing stunning images from Mars for years, but recently, an image caught global attention. It shows what appears to be a metallic dome-shaped structure and what looks like a crashed capsule or spacecraft fragment, lying silently among the dusty rocks. Could this be evidence of something extraordinary? Or is it another trick of the light and landscape? Let's take a closer look. The terrain where this mysterious object was found is rugged, layered with ancient rocks formed billions of years ago. Scientists believe this region once had flowing water, possibly even a shallow lake or streambed. That means if Mars ever supported life, this area could have been the perfect environment for it. But the shiny object seen in this picture stands out completely from its surroundings. It looks metallic, smooth and reflective, something that doesn't naturally occur on Mars in this form. Some researchers suggest it could be a part of a past Mars mission, maybe a piece of heat shield or landing equipment from an old rover or probe. Others, however, argue that it appears too intact and strangely positioned for that explanation. Now, this leads to one of the most exciting questions of all time. Could Mars once have hosted intelligent life? If so, could this object be a remnant of ancient Martian technology? Many enthusiasts believe Mars might have had civilizations millions of years ago that vanished after a massive catastrophe, possibly due to a loss of atmosphere or asteroid impact. However, most scientists remain cautious. They explain that light reflections, rock erosion, and camera angles often create illusions that make ordinary rocks look artificial. Still, discoveries like this keep curiosity alive and push humanity to keep exploring deeper. NASA's Perseverance rover continues to scan the surface using high-resolution cameras and powerful sensors. It's not just looking for alien technology, it's searching for microfossils, water traces, and chemical signatures that could confirm microbial life. If confirmed, that would be one of the biggest discoveries in human history, proving we're not alone in the universe. So whether this mysterious shape is part of an old mission, a natural rock formation, or something far more incredible, one thing is clear: Mars keeps surprising us. Every image, every rock, and every shadow tells a new story from the planet that has fascinated humanity for centuries. Stay tuned for more as we continue exploring the unknown, one soul at a time. We bring you one of the most mind-blowing discoveries ever spotted on the surface of the Red Planet. In a recent high-resolution image captured by the Perseverance rover's camera, something strange and possibly artificial has been seen resting quietly on the Martian ground. It looks like a metallic dome shining under the pale Martian sunlight, near what seems to be a crashed capsule or spacecraft fragment. Could this be the first sign of alien life or evidence of a forgotten mission? Let's dive deep and uncover the mystery. The discovery. The picture you see was taken in one of Mars' most ancient regions, known for its layered rock formations and dusty hills. For decades, this area has been of great scientific interest, a place believed to have once contained rivers and lakes billions of years ago. But this time, something unusual caught the attention of scientists and space enthusiasts around the world. Zooming in on the image, a shiny object stands out against the rusty Martian soil, as if it doesn't belong there. It looks metallic, smooth, and curved, features rarely found in natural rock formations. Just beside it, a large piece of what looks like a crashed spacecraft lies tilted on its side. Could this be part of a crash site from one of humanity's earlier missions, or something far older and not of this world? NASA's response and theories. NASA scientists were quick to analyze the image. Their official explanation suggests it could be debris, possibly from a heat shield or a descent module used in past Mars missions. For example, when spacecraft land on Mars, some parts like parachutes, covers, and shields get scattered across the surface. But here's where things get interesting. The shape, position, and shiny reflection of the object don't perfectly match any known component from previous missions. This raised curiosity among researchers and the public alike. Online forums exploded with theories. from alien technology to ancient Martian civilizations to secret experiments. Could Mars have had life or technology? For many years, scientists have suspected that Mars once had the conditions to support life. Evidence shows that billions of years ago, Mars had flowing water, a thicker atmosphere, and a warmer climate. If microorganisms existed, maybe some evolved into intelligent beings. So the big question is, could an ancient civilization have lived on Mars building structures or machines long before Earth had humans? Some researchers point to unusual formations, like pyramid-shaped hills, aligned rocks, and artificial-looking carvings, to possible evidence. Though these claims remain unproven, they fuel imagination and encourage us to keep exploring. The crashed object. Now let's focus on the large metallic part in the image. Its structure looks engineered with what appear to be circular openings or thruster-like designs. If you observe closely, the surface has burn marks and impact scratches, hinting that it might have gone through high heat or a collision. If this truly is from a spacecraft, it could belong to one of humanity's earlier missions, maybe even a failed one that crash-landed decades ago. However, some experts argue it looks too advanced and too undamaged to be old space debris. So, what is it? The mystery deepens. Light illusion or real discovery. Skeptics suggest the metallic shine could be an optical illusion, sunlight bouncing off smooth rocks covered in dust. On Mars, lighting and camera angles can create effects that make ordinary rocks look like metal or glass. Still, even with these explanations, many people remain unconvinced. If it were only light reflection, why doesn't it appear structured, with edges, symmetry, and even shadow patterns? The more we look, the more questions arise. The future of Mars exploration. To find the truth, NASA and other space agencies plan more missions that will study these mysterious locations. Future rovers and drones may get closer, scan the material, and confirm whether it's natural or artificial. There's even talk of future human explorers landing nearby to collect samples. Imagine, one day we might discover not just signs of water, but evidence that something once lived or even landed here long before us. Conclusion. Whether this metallic object is a piece of lost technology, an illusion, or a relic of another world, it reminds us that the universe still holds endless mysteries. Every image from Mars pushes us closer to understanding our cosmic past and our possible future. So stay curious, explorers, because the next discovery might change everything we know about life beyond Earth. Thanks for watching.